amount I put. I just ordered for detergent powder only now because naturally God give to the turmeric powder easy to indicate the pH level. If you this one is a basic substance. If you that powder, so this one is contains for the basic. So turmeric is a reaction for the red brown color. Next one magic I do this color again normally come out. What is this here?
Ma'am.
I fill in the tumbler, okay? Then I take it to, what is this?